Good morning everyone, vlog number 6 here. Right now it is 8:11 in the morning. I have slept well, नींद काफ़ी अच्छी आई and आज का दिन भी as always is going to be a busy work day. बारिश continue है, it's raining cats and dogs and I will hopefully be able to shoot a lot of videos today and we've done this. As you can see, I've created a mount for the helmet. So होपफुली अगर बाइक पे कहीं जाएंगे तो हेलमेट वाला व्यू भी आपको दिखेगा एंड फॉर नाउ व्हाट वी नीड टू डू इज आज लेट नहीं करेंगे, जल्दी जल्दी नहा लेते हैं, ब्रेकफास्ट कर लेते हैं एंड देन वी कैन स्टार्ट शूटिंग बिकॉज व्लॉग्स इंटरेस्टिंग होने लगे हैं एंड ऑडियो वीडियो क्वालिटी भी बेटर होने लगी है. तो चलिए आज का दिन स्टार्ट करते हैं, देखते हैं क्या क्या है प्लान.
ओके सो आज के दिन का स्टार्ट काफ़ी अच्छा रहा है. डॉट 10 o'clock एंड द व्लॉग इज आउट. आई रियली होप यू आर लाइकिंग द व्लॉग बिकॉज बहुत मेहनत जा रही है डेली व्लॉग्स में एंड विद ईच पासिंग डे आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू मोर एंड मोर. राइट नाउ इट इज टाइम टू पुट दिस कैमरा ऑन द हेलमेट. वी हैव टू गो टू अ कपल ऑफ प्लेसेस टू buy stuff and it's pretty beautiful outside. So let's test the camera angle and let's see कि बाइक के लिए मोटो व्लॉगिंग के लिए कैसा कैमरा एंगल GoPro का आ रहा है. अब इसका केस अब तक आया नहीं है तो इट्स अ लिटिल रिस्की बट आई थिंक यू नो आई हैव माउंटेड द helmet mount of GoPro with M-Seal, so it should be doing just fine and by the time we are back everything should be ready and today definitely the Pixel 7 video is coming out. So let's get on the road and let's see how the recording happens.
Okay, there she is. I don't know अभी ऑडियो कैसा आएगा because of course माइक नहीं है and बारिश में भीग रही है बाइक. So let's warm her up first. Let's connect the GoPro app and see if the angle is good. Okay, so one stop done. It looks like it's going to rain. I'm not carrying anything for my phone and as you all know the Iqoo 11 is not water resistant. भीगने के पहले अगर हम घर पहुंच जाए तो अच्छा रहेगा. Okay, so we'll just fill the bike up as well.
Good evening. So it is 5:34 in the evening and you must be wondering ki, why am I wearing these clothes? Why have I not changed? Have I not shot or anything? Well, I decided that now that we are in this permanent studio and I'm going to be shooting every day from here, मुझे लगता है I should give you guys much better audio video quality and that is the reason I'm playing around with the cameras. I've removed the showcases from behind because in my opinion they were not looking good. Let me actually show you. So as you can see, this wall is now empty. There is a switch over here which I've covered with double tape and white paper. So this wall now looks clean and these are the lights that used to be there. So I don't know where I'll fix them, but राइट नाउ सब बिखरा हुआ है। मेरा जो टॉप कैमरा था Panasonic Lumix, उसको मैंने फ्रंट में ले लिया, उसकी पोजीशन मैंने थोड़ी चेंज की है, और वो जो था Canon K50, I put it over here, right? It's evening right now and I have today's content ready, so there's not really a lot of problem. But I think the Iqoo 11 is getting sold soon, and Sunday I might be traveling. So apart from these regular vlogs about what I'm doing in the studio, what content is coming next and stuff like that, there will be travel videos coming on this channel as well, and I will share my experience. I might have to use the Poco X3 Pro for a week, so that is going to be surprising because I'm planning to wait for the Iqoo Neo 7 Pro if it comes at a good price. We also have the Nothing Phone 2 coming, so these two devices is what I'm saving the money for. You can let me know in the comment section if I should buy one of these two devices, and I might even consider buying the Samsung S23, not the Plus or Ultra, but the basic S23 for a personal device, which I think I'll keep permanently and I'll not change. I'll keep switching phones for my secondary device. For now, I need to clean this mess, and in the evening we are going out as well. So today's video is going to be very interesting, this particular vlog. Okay, so it's evening 7:34. आज का दिन काफी productive था, although we didn't shoot much, but we've changed sort of the look of the background, and now I'm heading out. I'll show you where we are going. We're just going somewhere around here. सुबह से काम कर रहे हैं तो थोड़ा break भी लेना चाहिए, and towards the end of the vlog, I will tell you what's coming tomorrow, because tomorrow we might visit a few showrooms, so things are going to get interesting. Now let's quickly hop into the car because it's raining outside, so we won't be going by bike.
So let's see how the low light performance of this GoPro is. Yes, sir. So it's raining like crazy. It's night time, I know, but yeah, come to this place. Let's have dinner. Okay, so it is 10:54 and dinner is finally done. Five Spice Borivali aaye the, so we had good dinner. Right now it's raining cats and dogs outside, so luckily we came in car. Bike se nahi aaye, but बारिश बहुत ज़्यादा है. After going home, I won't be able to do much work because there are no videos that are left to edit. At the same time, the office is in a mess. As I told you, the studio is in sort of a mess. A lot of things needs to be arranged. So I think I'll continue doing those tomorrow. I'll see you guys in tomorrow's vlog. For now, it's good night. See you in another one. Take care. Bye.
Okay, so I did not expect to record this, but it's around 2 o'clock in the night, and I'm still setting up the studio because, as I said earlier as well, I want to set it up once so that every single day I can just create content for you guys. Now, every now and then it takes up my time to, probably get the right angle. Sometimes the fan is disturbing me, sometimes the area is less, whatever is happening. So it's going to be a tough night today. I don't know how long I will be able to stay awake, but I thought I'll end the vlog when we've had dinner, but right now I'm still working, and at this point I've got quite a lot of things sorted. Now, as you can see, I am looking at the screen and just having a look at different angles in which, so as you can see, testing a few things. This is a sample video. I'm not exactly recording this video. I'm just trying stuff. You can see the mics are not connected. I'm in my home outfit. So as much as I would love to say that this is a brilliant job, and trust me, it is a brilliant job to be a YouTuber of your own choice, but you have to do a lot of sacrifices. You have to work really, really hard. बहुत मेहनत करनी पड़ती है. उसके बाद सक्सेस मिलता है. तो 100K, 1 million जिनकी भी आप देख रहे हो, don't expect कि उनको ऐसे ही एक वीडियो वायरल हो गया और मिल गए. It takes a lot of effort, guys. For now, I think I should probably do some work and push off to sleep because tomorrow I have to wake up early as well. So this is where we'll actually end this vlog. I'll see you in tomorrow's vlog, and one request: if you like the efforts and hard work and talent that is being put into making these videos, please subscribe and hit the notification bell icon. We are making these videos more family friendly, so you can tell your friends and family to subscribe to the channel as well. I'll see you in the next one. Keep smiling, take care, and good night.